Dedication to love, it pulls on your heartstrings, tugging and never letting go. The feelings are real, the signs, the dreams, the miracles, the transformation. All are confirmations that love lives here forever in our experience. Love may look different to most, a contrast to our present reality, all in efforts of solidifying itself into our hearts. There may be periods of long suffering, longing, doubt, impatience, opportunities to show compassion, forgiveness, acceptance, allowing freedoms of others, surrendering to the divine and releasing the control. You will have to give your all, dedication to love in the utmost, in the midst of insurmountable changes, a dismantled old life, creating room for a prosperous new one. The rewards of love are worth the wait. Dedicate yourself to love.